The core of industrial manufacturing is quality. PINLONG Precision demands excellence. With sub-micron standards, we infuse every part with the gene of reliability. Shaft inspection. Excellence revealed in every detail. Measuring plating thickness. Checking balance. Inspecting dimensional and thickness tolerance. Capturing shaft run-out deviations. Strictly controlling surface defects. Side plate inspection. Precision shines in every inch. Strictly controlling hole position tolerance. Appearance inspection for flatness. Ensuring complete plating coverage. Gear inspection. Gear-to-gear precision defines perfection. Detecting gear appearance flaws. Calibrating bearing sizes to sub-micron accuracy. Roller ink application inspection. Ensuring uniform ink layers. Testing surface adhesion uniformity. Strict control of surface defects. We assign a unique code to every part. Quality is fully traceable. All inspections are carried out in strict accordance with design drawings. Non-conforming parts are never stored. Details build trust. Quality secures the future.